Hey guys, here's another short video for the procedure number 4. We ask you to design the circuit that let the digital multimeters read the 8 volt across the R2. And for the design, you select a value. For example, in this case, we select the R2 equal 2 kilo ohm. Okay, so I want you to design the circuit. What we mean by design, find out how much resistors I have to connect it in series with the R2 to let the voltage in the digital multimeter 8 volt. Okay, so that's the design means. So we need to find out how much value of the R1 that let the voltage across the R2 equal 8 volt. So basically I start from the formula of the digital divisions or the voltage division, sorry, to find the voltage since we are given the R2 voltage. So I start to find that voltage using the voltage division rule, R1 divided by R1 plus R2 times Vs. I have V2, it's 8 volt. I have R2, 2K. I have Vs, 12 volts. So I end up with the R1 in my design here. It should be 1K. So for the implementations, here is the R1, that case. Here is the R1, 1K. And here is the R2, 2K. And here is my source, 12 volt. Okay. So basically what I have to do right now, I need to measure the voltage across the resistance R2. And if my design is correct, I should be able to read 8 volts across the R2. That's a digital multimeter. What will read to me if I connected 1K in series with the R2. So I turn on my circuit and I look for my voltage here. It is almost 8 volt. So to confirm that, I have 12 volt. I have R1 and R2, the voltage division. So 8 volt out of the 12 comes to the R2. What I have left, supposed to be I have 4 volt, supposed to be around the R1. So if you take the measurement for the voltage across the R1, it should be read 4 voltage. So here is the connections. Positive terminal in the first terminal, and the negative terminal in the second. Sorry, I need to turn off. In second terminal, and this the resistance. I get it back for their connections. Here, how my circuit is connected, right? Yeah, double check with that. Now I turn on. I need to measure. I supposed to be close to the 4 amps. So that's the voltage divisions rule verified. Okay, thank you so much, guys.